This is a Target purchase JLab Go Pop True Wireless earbuds. I've had one in red and it actually works well and I use it for my um Android phone, the Galaxy Fold phone. So um I'm using this one for the iPhone and I'm showing you how easy it is to install it or to pair it with your phone, with your iPhone. I had purchased the first one in Amazon, and this one is on sale in Target right now. They're at like $19, $20 with taxes, of course. So when you buy it, it comes with this case, and it's what's good is it's already charged a little bit, so you'll be able to try it. In in the purchase, you'll of course have the manual, and it's very easy. All you need to do is open up, take off the earbuds from the case, and then there should be a blinking light. So the blue blinking light should be blinking blue and white, and that's when you can pair it with your iPhone right away. So you don't have to even download your app. So here's what I'm talking about. So there's the blinking blue light. Then all you need to do is go to your iPhone and click on the settings. So I'm going to show it to you in a little bit here. So go to your iPhone settings, and then it should be Bluetooth and then other devices, and all you needed to do is just click on it and now it connects right away.